Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a role automatically on Discord mobile. So for that, we need to just invite some bots. So at first, just go to your Google and search for a Discord bot. Now you can go to the very first website, Discord bots. Now there are a lot of bots here. You can just invite any of them. Just click on invite. Again, click on invite. Now you need to give the email and password of your Discord account. After giving the password, just click on select a server. Now you can select your server from here and click on continue. Just scroll here and click on authorize. Now click on I am a human. Now just go back and go to your Discord app. Now click the top left, the three dash icon. Now click your Discord server's name. Now click on settings. Now just scroll from here and click on roles. Now from here you can see I have successfully give roles to the bot. So guys, that's how you can make a role automatically on Discord mobile. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.